this psychology community. So psychology community uses those terms. Now here these are common people, people who are who talk, who simply talk to each other. So they use anxiety, mental disorder, stress, neurosis, anorexia, bulimia, panic, schizophrenia, psychosis, bipolar disorder, depression, fear, psychology, and hysteria. Okay, so these are the commonly terms that are used. Next, psychological disorder. Now here the fun part begins. How they understand, first of all, the psycho and the logical. See, I will define psychological disorder. I have already explained. There are people who wants to put order in you. If you are not following that order, you are disordered. Okay, and yeah, psychological. Logical meaning very least understood by the whole community. See, logical means knowing the pattern of functioning. Now, knowing the pattern of functioning is not defined. Understand, it's not defined. Your functioning is the thought current that you generate as you age. Now here, that is again not, I won't go there. So here the logic that is given by a people who are not according to this order become psycho. See, this world order people, the one who wants to bring order in the world, they have a certain pattern of thoughts, feelings. Then pattern of thoughts, pattern of feelings, pattern of action. If you deviate from that, you will become distressful. They will give you stress. They will put you in jail. They will harass you in a number of possible ways. And dysfunctional. They will try to impose so many sanctions on you that so that you become dysfunctional. So this is the meaning of psychology. All the rebellious people become psycho. All the people who sees things, understand things the way they are, becomes psycho. See, this is the real meaning of psychological disorder. As I proceed further, you will keep on laughing how funny these people have made this. They, as per my normally, Satya, the truth is they are psycho. Their logic is totally psycho. The way you perceive psycho. As per my understanding, the persons whose conscious raised to the peak or raised to the level wherein he starts to see things the way they are, they are called psycho by this ordered people. Okay, so terms from the definition. Now these are the definitions that are fantasized by this order community. Okay, so here Disorder refers to a state of mental and behavioral ill health. Your behavior becomes ill. Come on, man. And state of mental and behavioral. Now here, now as per their meaning, what do they understand by mental meaning is your ability to no, sorry. That is the real meaning of mental. The real meaning of mental is the ability, your ability to understand the things the way they are. If somebody is lying to you, you see that the person is lying to you. By looking into his eyes, you are able to understand that that person is lying. That is what is meaning your mental, your ability. That is the level of your ability. Understand. You are kept in delusion that you don't understand. Everybody understands. Just by looking at people's face, you will understand that the person is trying to cheat you, the person is but you all are willingly going for it. That is a different case scenario altogether. But anyway, now here, that is the real meaning. What do they mean by mental is the person who is not following this order. If you are disordered, if you don't obey their orders, you become mental. That is their definition of mental. Okay, pattern refers to finding a collection of symptoms. They will look out for a collection of symptoms that tends to go together and not just seeing a single symptoms. Now, what are the symptoms associated? You know what? The orders that they will sanction. They will sanction certain orders. You have to follow that. They are called dharana. In Veda, they are called dharana. Okay, so they will give you certain dharana orders. You have to obey that orders. If you are not obeying that orders, then you become disordered. You become mental. Okay, so for that, these symptoms are nothing but those sanctions. Okay, so for there to be distress, I mean obviously if you are not following, they will not allow you to do a function basically. They will make you dysfunction, and that dysfunction produces distress in you. Symptoms must be sufficiently severe to interfere with one's daily life and well-being. Obviously if you are stuck somewhere, if you are fearful, if you are not able to work on, how will you generate income to feed yourself? Okay, so well-being, yeah. So you're getting the point. Deviant means differing from the norm. Now here, see, I don't need to tell them, they themselves will tell you. They will make, you know what, they know that they have made you so dumb, all people put together. They have made you so dumb that you will not understand what deviant means. So they will define deviant at the base. And the person whose third eye is open, who could see things, he understands why this deviant is put. Deviant means differing from the norms. And these are the norms, the order. The order that they will prescribe you. Next. Now since they have come up with such a huge, they want to make it a very huge business industry. Now to make this business industry, they have to define it, they have to make it more complicated. Earlier I have shown you one slide wherein there are many terms put together in one slide. So what I am trying to tell you is, to define, so they have given a very elaborate and very funny rather ways of putting things. They make fun of themselves. I don't know if a person who will understand even a little bit, come on, you see things, okay? So they will come up with what are the reason why you are psycho, why you are not following their orders, why you are not obeying their orders. Now here they will come up with the biological factors, biological evolutionary factors. Evolution becomes one of individual genes. Your gene might be carrying a certain disobeying hormone. So coding, yeah. brain structure and the chemistry. Somehow your brain structure or the chemistry have gone somewhere haywire or short circuit. Somewhere something might have happened, and because of which your ability to follow those norms, follow those sanctions are not there. So you are sick. Now social. I always make mistakes. Social. This is social. Okay, let me just I'll say it social only. Social. So roles, expectation. Now roles and expectations. Now again, understand roles and expectations. What are these roles and expectations? Again, these they will define a certain a person should be like this. He should work very hard so that he could fetch money, and once he fetch money, he should have a luxury car and a bungalow or a flat. Nowadays, the cabin rather. People are living in cabins nowadays. Okay, so all these things should be available for you to, so that you are following their orders. Now, yeah, social means role and expectations. Definition of normality and disorder. The society expects from you, if you are not following this, socially you become abnormal or mental. Psychological, the final term. Biological, social and psychological. These are the 4 psychological disorders there. Here they are calling the stress. The stress, what is the stress? If you are not for disobeying their order, or if you are not obeying their orders, they will cause distress, they will stress you. And that they will stress you means they will harass you, man. Simple. Stress means getting harassed. That is what is the meaning of stress, you idiots. Okay, so trauma. Trauma is what, again, you will be traumatic because your things are not getting done and you are unnecessarily being harassed. So, learned helplessness, mood-related perception, and now what happens when you go through these phases, you come up with the idea how to tackle with it. If you come up with the idea, you will have perceptual dysfunction. Come on, man. Your perception is wrong. That's what I say. Norms, you are not following the order. See? You should follow the order. If you are not following the order, if anything that you perceive that is deviated from the order, then you are psycho or you are mental. Next. Now, since I was talking about the social structure, social structure, it's okay, man. Social. I am not social, so I don't know to say how. I don't know to say social. See, I am not social. So these are all social hierarchy of needs. See, psychology, knowledge board. See, the knowledge board is giving the knowledge of hierarchy of needs. See, you got to have all these needs. If you don't have your needs, you are psycho, you are mental. Now look at the needs that they are showing. You should have water, food, air, warm, and you should be having fire somewhere. Okay, so sleep. This is what roof. You should have roof also. This is disposal. Disposal. You should have job. If you are not having job, again you are psycho. The values for money, prosperity, health, property, body. I mean, you should work out. You should go for gym. Okay. So friends, family, love, intimacy, internet is a must. Tolerance, fame. You should have fame too. You see, respect, and this is what. Confidence or confluence? So what is this? Read this. What is it? Confidence. Actually, you should have confidence like that of Superman. Okay. And then you should follow the prejudice or the judgmental people, the creativity, you should have creativity and you should have morality. Now if you don't have all these needs, you are mental. Now I know why people called me mental. Now they can't call me, I know. बोलना चालू कर दिया हूँ, so now not possible. So anyways, what I'm trying to tell you is like all these needs you got to have, dude, or else you are psycho, you are mental. Next slide. Now here थोड़ा बड़ा करो. हाँ बस हो गया. I just want to read the names. ये पूरा आ रहा है क्या उसके अंदर? So here 6 psychological disorder. Now there are many I have seen, multiple. They will come up with n number of any deviation from those orders that they will prescribe you. You are psycho. So many, there are many other, but these are commonly used. That is phobia. Phobia is a fear to anything. Any phobia that you have, they will coin a name to that phobia, and that will they will call it phobia. Now yeah, the second is panic. Panic is obviously there are many people who get panicky. There are situations that panic. You calm down later, within no time. But in that situation, they will take your brain. Okay, now bipolar disorder, as we proceed, I'll explain you this bipolar. And this is post-traumatic stress disease, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, and then insomnia. These are commonly diagnosed. These are common diagnoses of doctors. So I'll explain one by one. Next. Yeah, manic disorder or bipolar. I'll start with bipolar. So yeah, mood disorder. Now the second point, that is, so this is a slide picked up from somewhere. So bipolar disorder, manic disorder, as they call it. Now what does it say? Individuals are excessively and inappropriately happy or unhappy. Come on, man. Sukham dukham ayustasya sukham dukham. Meaning sukh and then dukha. Meaning happy and then unhappy. Ayustasya, meaning your entire life. Again it says sukham dukham. What does it mean? It says that this is the Vedas shlok, the highest authority. Nobody is higher than him. That is the highest truth possible. You do not understand, it's your problem. But that is the highest truth. Everybody knows that. Gita pe kasam kha ke rakhte, haath rakh ke bolte. I mean, come on, why? Because the highest authority. Okay, so why this bipolar disorder? If a person is happy and then he becomes sad and then again happy, man, I don't want to explain. Freaking shit, this is the definition that they are giving. And beautiful story, you read it, I'm not interested in it. Next slide. This is ADHD. Hey Bhagwan. No, I just want to explain you the full form of it. It is called as attention defect, and then AD, attention defect, and what is it? Hyperactivity defect or hyperactivity, yeah. Attention defect and hyperactivity disorder, right. Attention defect and hyperactivity disorder. Now here, see, here, as the name suggests, attention defect. Come on, man, the person is distracted. He is least bothered to what teacher is explaining 1 plus 1, and he is least bothered because he is happy inside. He is not paying attention. He is understanding. That is freaking crap. That is what I am trying to tell you all people. Whatever these people are teaching you, they are all freaking crap. They do not exist for that matter. They are created from somewhere just to sanction, just to put certain sanction, to keep you under delusion so that they could sell something. This is the biggest advertisement thinking ability. I mean, look at the way they think. ADHD, so hyperactivity. I mean, there are guys who are very hyperactive. They just want to finish it within a very short period of time. They're constantly in, that is like, and they're in sympathetic mode. They need to relax. They will calm down when they will understand. But they are in that hyperactive mode because something is going inside their head. I know what is going. I have gone through it. When this opens, this all happens. Your least one, I don't pay attention to any crap that is happening. That is the highest level of yoga, dhyana. I remember yoga means dhyana. Your dhyana is one-centered. You are not paying attention to anything that is happening around. So that person is within himself. He is happy. He is not paying attention to somebody is barking there, somebody is saying something on the road, somebody is, any freaking thing. They are least bothered. So this is called attention defect. I am very hyperactive because I get bored going out. So I want to finish the things very fast, come back and sit and talk to the higher authorities. They're there, they're listening, they're talking. Next. Now here, you know why I have picked up this slide. This is some community center wherein they consider this person a beautiful artist. See? Artist. My nephew is an artist, who I am showing him. Okay, so look here. Now, this guy is a beautiful artist. He is least bothered about what is happening outside. अरे भाड़ में क्या, मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. Somebody died, somebody is crying, somebody is getting married, somebody eloped with someone, somebody is having affair with someone, and he is least bothered about all these things. Somebody had so much money, somebody had got so much percentage. He does not care about all those things. He is happy painting. He is seeing something inside his head and is painting. Sketching, rather. So these happy persons are called psycho, mental. He is sitting in this community, he is least bothered. No, you know what? These people are like that. अरे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मेरे को. Literally. Even if I am in the community center, what I am doing, I am painting. That is all I like. So whether I am sitting in a home where my mother, my people, my wife, and considering me psycho, I will rather go and sit in the community. This person does not care. Next. They call all a person filled with high abilities. The highest abilities are called psycho in our community, in this world order community. I mean, what kind of order you are talking about, dude? MF Hussain, he have to run from India. He is showing something that is seen. I mean, they are seeing certain different things. This is beyond understanding of common people. Some idiot, some politician will create some whack. Any issues coming to the understanding schizophrenia. Now here, see, I go to that level where their stupidity is utter nuisance, utter stupidity. So, anyways, let's have more fun. Okay, to let's see what's going on in the brain in schizophrenia. Now, abnormal brain structure and activity. Now, see what abnormality that these people see. Too many dopamine. What is dopamine? You know, I used to take this nasal sniff of injectable vials to test what it feels like to have dopamine. Arey Baba, it gives you amazing feeling. It is type of ecstasy. When your body feels good, dopamine is released. When you are feeling good, dopamine, that's all. /D4 receptor, dopamine 4 receptors, too many of these receptors. Why too many? Arey Baba, you are at Ananda state. It is called Turiya Avastha. Turiya is the third state. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, Turiya. And Turiyatita is the fifth state. Sorry, Turiya is the fourth state. I'll explain it in detail. See, but any which ways, what I'm trying to tell you is dopamine is released because you are happy. Your brain is very dancing with the happiness. I have to explain paranoia. Paranoia. And you are happy when you become very excited, very happy. What do? Hallucinations. What hallucination? You hear certain things, you see certain things. Those are not seen by these people. Normal people. Ordered people. So they call you, you are hallucinating. Arey Baba, no, you are not hallucinating. There is a parallel universe. Try to understand this part. There is a universe. When this opens, only then you see. Till the time this is closed, nothing. There is a third eye. In the center of your head, there is someone sitting inside there. And he sees. When you see him, you see everything. Simple. Okay, I'll explain it in detail. What happens when your third eye opens. Okay. You see people inside your head. They start to see those people. A different world. See, it is called as Brahmanda. Your body is called as Brahmanda. And your head is called Pindanda. The highest authority, the Veda. The highest truth possible. You don't understand, that does not mean that is not truth. You are not your ability. See, you need to get enlightened. Baba, all those article writers try to understand. Scientists, I don't know what professors, some stupid professors. Try to understand. You need to get enlightened. Go find some guru, get enlightened. Once you get enlightened, only then you will understand. Stop giving all these stupid names. It does not exist. There are 25 states of consciousness. You are a consciousness, a person is a consciousness. That consciousness goes through these 25 states in his lifetime. And when he is going through this 25 states, he is experiencing basically all these states. What is happening is, all these situations are arising. Sometimes what happens, he gets stuck into a certain state. And that state is what is defined by you idiots. Horrible diseases. You put them into confinement. Okay. Now here, see what they will do. help to explain paranoia and hallucination. The dopamine, too many dopamine receptors, these explains. Now here it says, it's like taking amphetamine overdose all the time. What is amphetamine? Again an ecstasy drug. Why they have specifically mentioned amphetamine? It is produced. This is produced by your brain. They want to prescribe this amphetamine, because of which they are saying that too much of, they are giving they don't have any reason. So they are saying too many of D4 receptor explains your paranoia and hallucination. Poor condition of neural firing in the frontal lobe impairs judgment and self. That person understands everything. You stop talking nonsense. Your nonsense is what is judgmental, being judgmental. Self-control. Do I look like I have self-control? I get a nod. I mean, come on, this is utter stupidity, utter nonsense, and isn't it? I'm proving it. I mean, self-control. He sees things. उनको समझता है. He understands that you are making utter nonsense. And who will tolerate too much of utter nonsense? So he will start shouting, he will start yelling at you. That yelling is called as losing self-control or you don't have self-control. That is what. The thalamus firing during hallucinations as if real sensations were being received. Open your third eye, you will have real sensations. और मायावी लोग, माया में रहने वाले और deluded people understand this. You will not understand this. Real sensations are felt. By taking drugs, you are suppressing those real sensations. The pounding headache is nothing. The palpitation in your heart is nothing. The feeling of sensation of your what do you call the hair standing all over your body. So all these sensations are felt. They are real. When you see, it becomes more real. Why it is happening? You see inside. The whole scanning starts to happen. There is general shrinking of many brain areas and connection between them. You know what? These people are slow because of age. They will look at the slow connections. What happens is, like when you become very fast, the connection is so it looks like a ball of light. It looks like this is what it's called mundi. Understand? It's called mundi. In Veda, it's called mundi. So this mundi looks like a ball of fire, or bulb rather. It looks like it's lit. And your brain, these connections are not shrinking. Here, connection between them are shrinking. Or the brain cells never shrink. They will. And because of this firing, because of this fast connection, next, got the point. So here they have, ruling out medication. See, they call this is schizophrenia. Too much of dopamine, your whole, this is function. When your brain is functioning, this is what is happening. When your brain is not functioning, this is what. The blue indicates the colder part of your brain. Your brain. See, while you pour water on Shivling, or let's put it this way: Shiva's head. Why Ganga is sitting on Shiva's head? Simply, it means that he is very hot. His head becomes very hot, and it needs continuous porage of water so that he remains calm. Why? Because he is seeing the whole. whole universe is seeing simultaneously. As per your understanding, the whole, it is called Sarvam. Sarvam means everything, everything that is there is continuously seeing, so it continuously becomes heated. And to remove that heat, you pour water, you pour milk, you pour Belpatra. Belpatra. Belpatra is nothing but again it calms. It's very cool in nature. It's highly cooling nature. Belpatra. Next. Another condition wherein they say autism, the area of the brain affected by autism, which stems from abnormal brain development. See, autism is a condition wherein a child, the child is deviated from normal. He is least bothered, he is not paying attention, he is not, attention defect, you could say. He is not paying attention, he is not understanding, he is least bothered for. See, I'll explain later that those child are they get connected to their inner being. Understand this. They start to see inside, the voices inside gets heard by them. And because of the hearing of those voices, they are least bothered, they are happy inside, they are listening to. People call it thinking. अपने thought में लीन है, अपने thought में विचारों में खोया हुआ है, something like that. But no, they are not stuck in their thought. That is people talking inside. Your thought is not just you talking or somebody. No, there are people talking inside. So they start to listen, they start to get connected with them, and because of which they are least bothered about the outer world. Autism, no, stop treating them, like stop giving them medication. To self-medication, बाबा क्या करेगा तुम लोग, हैं? Children, अरे बाबा no, they are enlightened. You make them non-enlightened. You know what? By feeding them with too many medication, they will come to a stage wherein they will start getting connected to the outer world. Social, they will become social. The moment they become social, that person is normal. Till that time, that child has autism. Next. Obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder. I won't read the entire slide. I'll just see what happens sometimes. You know what? Your inner system, you get bad experiences. You know how thought current functions. Let me define to you how thought current functions. What you perceive as good for you becomes your thought current, and you start to function in that pattern. Now, here, what I wanted to explain, obsessive compulsive disorder is nothing but you are compulsory because you feel that by doing that stuff or washing your hands several times, you feel good. See, there is something happening. When I was going through the stages of enlightenment, I was experiencing all this thing. I used to take bath many a times. Something gets thrown out of our system. My head used to get heated up. I used to wash my head several times. So these people are calling that, see, basically the people who are getting enlightened or are under the process of enlightenment, they are all called as psychotic, they are having obsessive compulsive disorder, all this psychology, the whole psychology is put together. So the sanctioned people want you to remain in that. You understand the simple meaning why? Because if you are enlightened, you see things. Their business are hampered. If all the world knows all these things, this psychology is stupidity. It does not exist. it is just a 25 state of consciousness, what will happen? Nobody will go to that psychiatrist. The business gets hampered. You know what? So the business people, the one who wanted to sell the drug, what they will do is, they will keep you under this delusion. They will keep on producing all these leaflets. These leaflets are produced by the higher organizations, the higher authorities, big people. Next. So OCD is nothing, it is not a disease, it is a compulsion. Gets created when you are going through a certain phase. It is state of consciousness, 25 states of consciousness. If you are in one state of consciousness, you will experience that activity. Second slide we have is ऊपर दिखाओ टॉपिक क्या था इसका? हाँ, delayed sleep. What is delayed sleep? Now yeah, again this is insomnia or delayed sleep or sleep you are not sleeping. See, I don't sleep for 6 months. I don't sleep altogether. Nothing goes wrong. My brain is more functional. I become more, my logics are more clear, I see things more clearly, I understand things very as it is. What happens is, see, your brain remains so calm that you do not get tired, and because of which you do not need a sleep, you remain fresh all the time. So because of being fresh all the time, you don't feel sleep. So that is not a problem. Okay, that is not a disorder. Again, person do not becomes or comes under the category of psycho. Next, or any which way, yeah, he will, as per their definitions, but the logic that they are giving. Now next is protect yourself from PP, earplug. See, tinnitus. They are talking about tinnitus. See, what happens is like, again, when you are in the process, you will start to hear voices in your head, and if you are not able to see it, hear it clearly, the sound is like if you could hear this is the sound that comes, and these people call it tinnitus. No, that is a stage of enlightenment. When you are in the process of seeing the other parallel universe or the other universe, see, it is all around us. It is there. It's just you are here because, see, it is matter and energy. Understand? It's matter and energy. See, here what you see is all materials, matter. When you are able to see this energy, it is among us. It is just here only. The other world is here. The same world, the other world. Okay. And everywhere. I mean, it's huge. So, see, the entire earth in this whole is just it's invisible rather. Piece of sand, we could say. Okay. It's very huge. The earth, the whole of Sarvam that I talked about, it's huge. So here, now here, protect yourself. And they will give you some earplug. Again, they want to sell something, and that's the reason. Next, post-traumatic stress. Now here, see, unnecessary. They will create a fight among countries. Why fight? Who wants to fight? Now America was building pressure on along with NATO. America was building pressure on Russia. Putin for what? Why give sanctions to them? I mean, I don't understand why. Why surround China for no reason? See, these are all business related. Understand this. These are business. These people are becoming heroes for no reason. Why heroes? A gun and practicing. So yeah, If you're shot, you're dead. Khatam. What hero? Sorry to say. What hero? Whom saving? This is utter nonsense. The whole thing is utter nonsense. Fighting with each other. You are same, I am same. Why fight? Eat shit. That's it. Why fight? Why fancy guns? Why fancy rocket? Why fancy missiles? Why? बकवास है यार. And you're like, yeah, I'm holding a gun, I'm looking cool. Are you stupid you are looking, man? Go and romance with your girlfriend. You stupid idiot. That is more fun. गर्ल लेके धड़ करेगा. जवान है जवान. अरे जवान है तो ठोक भाई जाके. दिमाग करना खराब. Next. Post-traumatic stress. If he loses his leg, if he loses his eye, he will call it post-traumatic stress. अरे गधा है तू. जवान बना फिर रहा है. जवान है तो बेड पे जवानी दिखा भाई. Next. Personality disorder नहीं है. See, these people are funny man. बड़ा करो यार इसको. देखो देखो जरा क्या कॉमेडी लोग हैं. इसको पर्सनैलिटी डिसऑर्डर बोलते हैं. ये भी बीमारी है. पर्सनैलिटी तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी अलग है. अब देखो कौन सी बीमारियां हैं वो भी देख लो जरा. ये क्या बॉर्डर लाइन पर्सनैलिटी डिसऑर्डर. मतलब क्या है कि ये आदमी कैसा है, हंसता है हमेशा. A smiley face. A person is continuously laughing. He is borderline personality disorder. Something is wrong with that person. Now here, narcissistic. This is something, but I know the meaning. Personality disorder. Meaning that woman is me. मैं ऐसी दिखती हूँ, मैं ऐसी हूँ, मुझे ये खाना पसंद है. I want to go there. I like this and this and that. These girls keep on doing. This becomes a narcissistic personality disorder. ये भगवान देखो. अब इसमें आ जाओ. Avoidant personality disorder. If you say like, man, I don't care. It's okay, fine, you do. I have that. I have this avoidant personality. I avoid nuisance. So I like, हाथ जोड़ता हूँ बाबा, तुम जाओ अपना. You do your stuff. I have this disease, you know. Avoidant personality disorder. This is what read करो क्या है? Histrionic personality. You know what this girl have the disorder that she is having? She's like history के बारे में बहुत बात करती है. मतलब he is historical. Like she talks about the godly people. ऐसा रहेगा वैसा. You getting the point? History and all. British were this, they came, the colonialism was this. She's into that. So she's having that disorder. Hey Bhagwan. And a dependent personality disorder. India, you know what, in India, till the age of 30, all children are dependent on their parent. All those children comes under this disorder, dependent personality disorder. Hey Bhagwan. Abhi, you know what, in India, Papa, paisa do. I want to buy this. And this is dependent personality disorder. And you know what, cool guys? All cool guys, antisocial element. Oh, freak man. You know what? All cool guys, you understand what they call you. This psychology people, they call you personality disorder. Hey Bhagwan. थूको जा रहे लोगों पे. The word order people. And antisocial element they are calling you. See how cool this guy is. All there. I mean, almost every second or third guy is like this nowadays. So all are having those antisocial personality disorder. Hey Bhagwan. Understand, youngsters, you are with me. Next. You know, there is more funnier part. I'll come to. You see here, narcissistic personality disorder. As I it is all about me. That girl was continuously I love me, I like me. What the hell is wrong with that person? अरे ठीक है ना बाबा, उसको स्वयं पसंद है तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? वो मम्मा कारा कर रहा है. See, there are four conscious, rather I would say. It is called as mamakara. Mamakara is conscious about you, mamakara, or the way you feel about you, or the way you explain you rather, or understand you. Then you have ahankara. Ahankara means the way you project yourself, the way you explain yourself to others. That is ahankara. And then you have anyakara. Anyakara means how you see other people. Like this guy is like this woman is like this. So understanding other people. Now there is a fourth category which is called swa anyakara. Now you also assume that how that person thinks about me. He thinks good about me, he thinks bad about me, he thinks this about me, he thinks that about me. That is also. So these are four ways in which your conscious understands the interactions. So here this girl is nothing. She is doing mamakara. Are Omkara is saying this. Omkara is Shiva. He is saying this. Mamakara is not a problem. Mamakara means he is doing mamakara. Praising yourself, being good is not a problem. Being whatever, you loving yourself is not a problem. If you are loving yourself, you are doing something so that you are loving yourself. Next. Mamakara is a problem. See that the sanctioned people as ahankara. Here this is a beautiful. You know, my nephew will literally take a gun and go and shoot those people. He will get so much angry here. See, the feeling of being in romantic love affair is same as having obsessive compulsive disorder. अरे बाबा तुमको प्रेम हो गया तो तुम पागल हो गए. And you know what? So what romantic love affair? If you are having romantic, if you are being romantic, what kind of affair you should have? I say, come, let's go, have fun. That is okay. That is normal people sanction. This is normal sanction. You know what? This is order people sanction. They are giving that sanction. See, this is not prepared. This is their research. This is what they say. None is prepared by me. अरे बाबा प्रेम पागलपना है इनसे. दवाई लो भाई उसके लिए भी. हे भगवान क्या क्या बेच के इस पे तो मारेंगे सब यंगस्टर्स लोग. At least after this video, I think all youngsters would be with me. Romantic love affair, obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD बोलते हैं उसको. OCD, छोटू OCD. When you listen to this, anywhere, understand. OCD बोल रहा मतलब किस को OCD बोल रहा है. आजकल बहुत चलता है obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. Next. Here the thing. See, this is again. You know what? Psychotic. This is picked up by me. You know what I have said. You know what? If you are continuously in the field, you know what? This is the biggest entertainment one can have. The whole youngsters understands. The oldie people, they are putting sanctions. They need pill. Even the pill is not stopped working nowadays. You know, that pill is not working. So what they will do? They will put sanction on you. तुम लोग कैसा मजा करेगा? हम लोग मजा नहीं कर सकता है. So they will create perversion in your mind regarding sex. Sex, it's normal. It's the biggest way to have a highest ecstasy. This is the highest ecstasy it gives. It is given in the brain, and that person have experienced. He knows like ye kiya, wo kiya, I mean everything. I went to pub, I drank as much I wanted. I mean whatever the sanction people tell you, I have done all those things. So I know. But highest ecstasy comes there only. And if you love that girl, it is like amazing. It goes to 100-fold. It increases. You just goes to that extent where amazing. You feel you don't need any ecstasy after that. That is the highest ecstasy state. They are calling that obsessive compulsive disorder. This is again OCD. Why I am showing? Being romantic is OCD, and having a compulsion that I need to have sex is again obsessive compulsive disorder. They are saying disorder hai baba ye. Hey Bhagwan, come to me, I will give you certain pill with which you will start having this fun. You will never say this is OCD. And you want this obsessive compulsive disorder. You know what? Next. I have treatment. Now what will happen to that guy? देखो ये हालत होगी वो बेचारी होगी कि नहीं? I mean obviously that guy is like see what he is saying, out of medications. The medication that they have taken out of medication now, eaten too much. Now, coffee not working. I know I will fake a smile that will help my mood. What the hell he is going to do? Everything that gives you entertainment, the real form of entertainment, these sanctioned people, disordered people, psychological order people or disordered people, they are saying that these all things, I mean, you need to, and then this guys, it's gonna be a bad day any which ways, when you can't fake it, till you make it. See, so he have to be fake all his life. What that ordered people, the world order people, what they are telling you, you got to fake your life, you have to become plastic, you need to be faking all the time. You need to remain in delusion. If you come out of delusion, we will call you psycho, we will call you mental. Understand why people, all rebellious people are called psycho. Anytime if you hear someone saying someone psycho, think twice. That person is his understanding have gone very high. That is why somebody is calling him psycho. Change your perception. All those so-called normal people, see this is how he becomes. Medication, they are not able to, sar pe baal nahi, ugly he looks. How will his wife will get turned on? Looking at this guy, who will get turned on? Tell me. And her wife, she will become 4 times that of him. How will they even feel like? Both will be look ugly. So how ugly people will, and there is no attraction, you see, for that induction to do something, you need the beauty. Ugly they are looking. Ugly people do not make out. Do not make love. Next. See, stupid का हद है. Foreign accent syndrome. तो देखो, तुम्हारे पास अगर फॉरेन एक्सेंट हो गया तो ये मुंह दबा के बैठा हुआ है बंदा. A condition in which a person develops a foreign accent. अरे मेरा फॉरेन एक्सेंट हो गया तो मेरे को डिसऑर्डर सिंड्रोम हो गया भाई. ये भगवान, इस पे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत है? हंस लो, सब लोग हंस लो. नेक्स्ट. ये देखो, ये तो कोरो सिंड्रोम क्या नाम है? कोरो. देखो कंडीशन तो देखो. I mean, देख लो ये क्या कर रहा है बंदा. और देखो उसमें a condition where an irritational fear of shrinking genitalia. छोटा हो गया मेरा, डर गया बेचारा, अब उसको कोरो सिंड्रोम बोल रहा है. You know what? Why this happens? If this person do not gets to make out too much, I mean not to get for long period, or it's like अरे यार ये functional नहीं हो रहा है, काम छोटा तो नहीं हो रहा है, हो गया. there is no fear. It is general state. अरे मुझे भी लगता है भाई कि कभी और बहुत दिन से किया नहीं यार, छोटा लग रहा है. So that is a disease. Come on man. Shit. कोरो syndrome. Next करो. अरे भाई अरे. It is Cotard syndrome. A disorder where a person believes himself to be dead. Please go. You know what? Every yogi, once he gets enlightened, he says that he is dead. I don't consider my name the first name. I call myself Deepak Mahadeva. Once I get, every enlightened person changes his name. Understand? Your guru gives you a new name because you get a, that is the time when you are born. Understand? Your birth is not your real birth. Why I am calling myself, my name is Dr. Deepak Tiwari. I call myself Dr. Deepak Mahadeva. I gave myself a new name. I got enlightened by myself. So I consider myself dead. I have this Cotard syndrome. Cotard syndrome. A disorder where a person believes himself to. I believe myself to be dead. I died. Few years back, I was dead. I got a new birth. And now I call myself Deepak Mahadeva. Next. See, here again the same slide. Why? What is this artist? What is he trying to show? This, what kind of art is this called? So क्या बोलते हैं? Photography. Okay. So this is some form of photography art. When what this photographer is depicting is, see, he is continuously chained by people. The sanction. See, understand, I'll just define sanction. At your home, your mother, your father will give you certain sanction, like do this, you have to be like this. Then you go in the society where you live in, they will sanction something. Then the state where you living in, they will sanction something. Then the nation will sanction something. Then the world will sanction something. The whole, this is the entire sanctioning system that I am talking, the order. This is normal, this is abnormal. So the person who is leading, he is the biggest sanctioner in this society. So these are the sanctions that he is trying to depict. Next. Now here, look at this female. People, they call her a psycho. That's why I picked up this slide. This slide was for a psycho girl. Is she psycho? What if you feel like this is me, trust me. I went through this state. I was running away from my own house. Why? I started running from my own mother and father, my brothers. Because they put sanction there. She does not want the sanction. She's just fighting. What the fuck, man? Leave me alone. She's just frustrated. She's showing her frustration. That's it. And those sanction people will put new sanction that she has become retarded. I experienced the same thing. You know what? My people at my own parents, they call me mental, psycho. I understand who all are psychos. She is not psycho, trust me. I have proven the point. Next. Yeah, this is here the psycho is sitting. See? This idiot is psycho. This guy is, He is into a state wherein he is not able to understand. He needs someone who understands. Arey Baba, go to someone who is enlightened. He will explain you what you are going through. Who understand this 25 states of consciousness. You go to a psycho, he will call you psycho. He will give you some name to your experience. Next. Here, when someone gives you advice, now this is that psycho's advice. One advice I have already given, fake it. Fake it till you make it. Make what? The social structure that I have shown you. The bungalow, the gadi and the bank balance and all those things. Till you make it, you got to fake it. Now here, when someone gives an advice, respond with you are right. Rather than I know. Hey Bhagwan, whatever that crap that person is saying, what they're trying to say is, if I am putting some sanction to you, you got to say that you are right. That sanction is right. You should not say that I know. That sanction is not right. You will sound nicer and more diplomatic. That is that idiot's advice. The psychiatric, what do they call? You got to be diplomatic, you got to be nicer. And you got to fake it till you make it. Keep a fake smile. Next. Here see. Again that idiot's advice. They will, you know what, they will show you all these things. Even you see, this cartoon characters are having this depression. Hey Bhagwan. These are animated characters, man. उसको भी depression दे दिया. I depression, poo addiction, tiger ADHD, owl OCD. Hey Bhagwan. Next. कार्टून कैरेक्टर को भी नहीं छोड़ते भाई, वो लोग को भी साइको बोलते हैं. Did you know there is a psychological disorder called pica, hey Bhagwan, that causes an appetite for soil, soap, coal. Understand this: soil, soap, coal, chalk, paper, or other traditionally non-food items. Hey Bhagwan, ये कौन गधे हैं भाई? You know, when the body becomes too acidic, you feel like eating soil. The child does not know. Soil is alkaline, soap is alkaline, coal is alkaline, chalk is alkaline, paper is alkaline. Alkalinity बढ़ाता है when your body becomes acidic. You start eating, this is not a disease. Next. Here, this is called a boanthropy. This is a psychological disorder where a person believes that he or she is a cow or ox. हे भगवान. इंडिया में सबको बैल बोलते हैं भाई, बैल है भी बैल तू. और क्या है? और तो वो गाय बोलते हैं. अरे गाय जैसी है यार, ये गाय जैसा है even to the male. I believe मैं बैल हूँ, I believe मैं शेर हूँ, and I do also. No problem. She is just enjoying, and it happens. In your earlier life, you had that body. You understand this factor. I don't know whether scientists get enlightened. You will see things. What is the point in doing rubbish scientific research when you really don't know what is the reality? This girl in her previous life was this cow. So she just happens to the cow inside the previous life. She might be asking herself, what I was in my previous life, what I was in my previous life, what I was in my previous life, what was I, what was I, what was I. They will answer this way. See, there is a Devi inside you. Inside me there is a Devi. Okay, that Devi was making me wear this female clothes. I had experienced that, and now I am realizing. Now I can hear her. So she says that I was making you wear. How will I make you understand? You are not listening. So she says that you were not listening then. So I used to make you wear that. To give you, that is a sign, that is a signal, that is the way they indicate. So this is someone inside her. She's just giving her signal like, well, this is what you are. Next. Get enlightened, problem solved. All painters, all good painters were called. I was just, they see this. He's least bothered. You know what? He sees things. You know what? Many high court, even Leonardo da Vinci, he was enlightened, yeah. Because of his enlightenment, he could see what Jesus. It became a Da Vinci code for stupid people. What code? Get enlightened. You will find out what is Da Vinci code. Writing so many stupid books and stupid story of fiction. What Da Vinci code? Why you want to break? अरे वो code फोड़. You get enlightened, you see things. दिखता है सब. जो दिखता है उसके पीछे इतना टाइम पास करने को क्या मतलब है? Spending billions. अरे go sit in Himalayas. You will get enlightened. Once you will get enlightened, then break all the Da Vinci code, Da Vinci code and all stupid codes you want to write. My nephew gave me that book. Earlier, when I was young, in 10th or 11th standard, so some 20 years back, I read that book. I was fascinated then. But now I am understanding how that is utter stupidity. Recently he gave me that book. I just picked up and like, हाँ मेरे को पता है क्या है. Keep it. So there is no code. Stupid, utter stupid. Get enlightened, you will find out. Next. Now yeah, psychological disorder. So here they see some terms that will come along as I'll proceed further. So again the fun element. Why I picked up this? See, you will see faces. Once you get enlightened, you will see faces. Face in your left, face in your right. You might have seen even Shiva's face of Ardhanarishvara and all. You will see many heads, 20 heads above him and all. So you see heads in your faces. So this guy got enlightened and he is showing this face. That's why I picked up this slide to show you all people. When you get enlightened, you see faces inside your head. These are these painters. That is what they want to depict. Next. Now here, generalized anxiety disorder. See, सब भागा तो छोटो. The same names all utter stupidity. So I don't want to go through. Again, चलो. Let me just read the names. पीछे करो. नाम से पढ़ने दो सबका. Here, generalized anxiety disorder. Next. Disinhibited social engagement disorder. Hey Bhagwan. Next. Conduct disorder. Next. Insomnia. Next. I wanted to show the painting. That's why I'm just reading and showing you the slide. These are beautiful pencil drawings. The depictions. ये क्या है छोटू?
Without you, everything falls apart.
Without you, everything falls apart.
9-inch nail से बैंड था वही उसका कोई है.
अच्छा उसका है. तो तुम एक्सप्लेन करो ना जरा. सबका पता है क्या?
नहीं, ये एक जेक करके एक आर्टिस्ट है.
कौन है?
जेक, उसका पूरा नाम याद नहीं है. जेक करके एक आर्टिस्ट है जो अक्टूबर में एक 30 दिन का एक ये होता है, मतलब कंपटीशन नहीं बोलेंगे, एक इवेंट टाइप का होता है. और उसपे वो जैसे जनरलाइज्ड एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर उसका एक टॉपिक देता है वो, और उसपे कुछ बनाना रहता है. तो वही #अक्टूबर वही है. वही जेक जो है उसका पूरा नाम अभी याद नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा।
वही जेक का ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हर साल अक्टूबर में 30 दिन के लिए वो एक ये निकालता है।
अच्छा।
और हर दिन एक नया टॉपिक देता है, उस पर कुछ बनाया रहता है, तो ये उसी का है। तो ये जैसा आगे आया, तो ये वाला जो कोट है ये ऊपर में, विदाउट यू एवरीथिंग फॉल्स अपार्ट, ये 9 इंच नेल्स के गाने का है, वही NIN वही है 9 इंच
ओके
नेल्स,
ओके ओके
उसके ऊपर ये है।
ओके।
वही
सो
इंटू है।
हाँ, ये एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा ये भी उनका ही है,
जेक
जेक का। ओके। एंड दिस अपोर्ट दिस फॉरगेट अबाउट द टर्म, ये वही कुछ
इसको ऐसा ये ड्राइंग को आप टेनेब्रिज्म बोल सकते हैं। मतलब इटालियन कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा था कि डार्क कॉन्ट्रास्ट में मिला के इसको बनाया, मतलब डार्क कॉन्ट्रास्ट में डार्क एकदम ये करके इसको बनाया जाता था, हल्का ड्रामेटिक इसमें एनवायरनमेंट में। तो ये सब वही टेनेब्रिज्म के अंदर ही आता है।
अपोटोनोफोबिया
ये एक टॉपिक है, पता वो आपका मतलब ये है, लेकिन ऐसा ड्राइंग को वही टेनेब्रिज्म बोलते हैं। मतलब जितना भी ऐसा ड्रामेटिक ड्राइंग होता है सब उसके इसमें आता है, इटली वाला सब शुरू किया था उसको।
चलो नेक्स्ट, ये सी व्हाई आई एम शोइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ये सब स्टेट्स ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस है। 25 states of consciousness. When you go through those 25 states of consciousness, you experience all these things in your system. कि ये explain करो, major depression disorder, ये क्या था concept? ये भी उनका ही है ना?
सब वही अक्टूबर।
Next. Here, avoidant personality disorder. Again, you avoid people and all. Same thing. Next.
जेक पार्कर, आर्टिस्ट का नाम है।
अच्छा, जेक पार्कर। Post traumatic, beautiful wall pencil sketches. I just picked up. See, I wanted to explain you in detail, but I'm just cutting it short. This explanation will go way farther, because once you get enlightened, you will understand what these people are trying to depict. These are normal states that you go through. They experiences. Post-traumatic stress disorder. So, next. Here, autism spectrum disorder. See, he's like, he's into him, and he's showing the mouth up. Least bothered. And see, somehow what is depicting is from your lower base to your upper base, you are enlightened. When you get enlightened, you are least bothered. Autism is not a sickness. It is a process of being enlightened. Next, he is into himself. This is a yoga mudra in a way. This is yoni mudra is sitting in. Next, depression is again. See, depression is different people define differently depression, but depression is see, going low. Why? Because you are bored. You're boring is called as depression. So sanction, if you don't want the sanction. See, she's chained. Beautifully they have put there. क्या beautifully there. She's chained. देख रहे हो छोटो? ये chained. और ये सामने का वो फंदा लगा हुआ है, and she's trying to break that. That is depression. That is a sanction, the order. अब तुमको ऐसा रहना चाहिए. You should be living this. You should be respecting this, and whatever it is. So sanctions. Again, ये OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, they're showing clean. They feel dirty. See, you feel dirty. You clean, you feel better. Okay, so you keep on doing it. I'll tell you why, and there is many reason behind it. Why you keep on cleaning? I take bath for 2 hours. I go and sit in the bathroom for 2 hours and take bath. It is something. Once you get enlightened, you will know why you take bath for longer period. Next. All enlightened people become psycho for you all. ये क्या है? Read करो इसको.
The only caring seen are the ones circling around me.
Okay, so yeah, what she's saying is, see what happens is like when you get enlightened, what moves in your head also moves in the sky. So you see things around you. You see things in the cloud. You start to see faces. That is what this slide gives you. See, in the clouds, they are seeing the same thing in their head. Next. Here, this is scopophobia. Scopophobia. Scope is what? What is this? I don't understand, so I don't understand this slide also. What is he saying? Next. Right there. Next.
Scopophobia is the fear of being stared at.
Acha. See, put this back. See,
Okay.
their eyes everywhere. He's being
ये
washed.
kind of anti-social वाला सब में आ गया.
He is being washed. Obviously, now you know what? In India, when they live in northern countries, especially UP, Bihar, there the children cannot go for smoking outside. They are feared of society. If their father, if the people whom they know, their relatives, if they know, they will get a good beating. You know, in India they will get, in northern countries especially, you will get good beating. And because of which this stupidity becomes a, so that is a being washed. They are continuously in the fear state, like कोई देख लेगा. Next. Envy. Hey Bhagwan. Who is not envy? The whole world is psycho then. Next. Attention defect. Come on man. Attention defect disorder. अरे मेरे को नहीं ध्यान देना है तेरे ऊपर. You know what? They're telling you some crap, and if you're not listening to their crap, they will say, attention defect. Next. What is it? Bipolar disorder. I've already explained. See, bipolar. अरे सुखम दुखम आयुस्तस्य सुखम दुखम. Your life में सुख दुख it will come. So these are two states. When he is happy, he is sad. Happy, sad. Next. These are two sides of you only. Is this me? Yeah, there is a confusion. Obviously. You are confused. You know what? How many times people ask this question? Is this me? And when you are a child, you don't understand. When you grow up, or when you are in school, you say, teacher is telling something about me, my mom is telling something about me, the relatives are saying something about, who am I? Is this me? You watch in the mirror and you say, is this me? Then you go to the college, you see your friends are saying something, you get a girlfriend, then she will say something about you. Then again you ask, is this me? You are continuously confused. Who the hell are you? Knowing you and outside no answer. Inside answer. Himalaya is the answer. I am sitting in Varanasi. If you want to come, I welcome you. I will enlighten you. Guarantee. Next. Kill it before it kills you. Bhagwan, kill. मारना किसको वही तो नहीं मालूम है. Is it me? मारना किसको? आप जो समाज की तरह whom to kill, Baba? Your father, your mother, this society people, then the politician of your area, and then the politician of the state, then the constitution of India, then the constitution of the world. Everybody is putting sanction. Whom to kill? Kill it before it kills you. It will kill you. If you resist, it will kill you. So you got to fake it. Till you make it. मतलब till you die naturally. Or else you will be dead. That's what they see. कितना बड़ा धमकी दे रहे हैं ये लोग. छोटे धमकी दे रहे हैं भाई हम लोग को. My nephew is an artist, so he is also like me only. बता रहा हूँ. मार देंगे. हम मार देगा साला. Kill it before. Kills you. We will kill you. Next. Sanction. Now, see, this is how you perceive the circuits inside, the chip circuits inside, and then logical, explanation of everything, the symmetry, the calculation. Then you see the biological aspect of it biology that is there inside your cell. This is the neurons, nerve cells that is there. And then you have this chemical agents which causes alteration, increase, decrease. They are of two kinds mainly. Antagonist and agonist. They will either block a function or they will enhance a function. Okay, so this put together, and there is the arrangement or the memory part they are showing. Okay, so what they are trying to say is you are freaking computer. अरे गधे लोग, this is quantum computer. Quantum. They are creating quantum computer now. You use 2 to 5% of your brain, not more than that. Even 2 to 3% rather. 5% only scientist. Higher level. Understand, when you use this 100%, what you will become. We are not this. This is utter nonsense. We are highly intelligent being. Get enlightened, you will know. Without getting enlightened, you will never know. Sorry, I am trying my level best to break all this delusion. But unless and until you are enlightened, this delusion will not get breakthrough, will not be broken. Many a times I have tried. I am still trying. I have been trying since 7 years. My delusion got broken way back. I started seeing the way the world is. And it is becoming clearer day by day. Next. Back karo slide ko. Okay, what I'll do is I'll end this lecture here. I'll continue the lecture further. There is in the upcoming lecture, what I will explain is as you experiences the process of enlightenment, as you start to see things the way they are, the truth, the real truth. Okay, so what all you experience during this process, that I will explain in detail. Okay, so to make this gives understanding of what psychology. Psychology is the sanctions imposed by the world order people. Okay, so world order would want to follow you a certain norms, and if you are not following, you become psycho, mental, and all those terms they will call. Okay, stop.